myself Nitu Gumari. I am your science teacher and I am going to teach the chapter of class 10th. As far as we know that something about the chapter reproduction, and let know the very things about reproduction. This is the chapter of class 10th. Let's see the type of reproduction. First of all, we know the about of reproduction. Let's quick recap of the reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which the living organisms reproduce things like them, just like human beings, animals, and something which is unliving. Let's see the type of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction in our living organism. First, sexual reproduction, and second is asexual reproduction. Let's see the difference between a sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In the mode of asexual reproduction, let's see the what happens in the asexual mode of reproduction. In this reproduction, a single parent is involved. It means the one thing is involved and it splits or divides, and that makes the two daughter cell, and it is full of reproduction and it completes the reproduction. Second thing is gamete not formed. In this reproduction, the gamete is not formed. Gamete means a parent cell, just like male or female. In this, progeny is identical in parent. Progeny, when the part of reproduction cell is split, the progeny is on newborn things, which is progeny. Let's see the sexual reproduction. What happens in sexual reproduction? In this reproduction, both parents are involved. Both means male or female gametes are involved, and after that reproduction is done. Gamete are formed. In this formation, gamete is also formed. Gamete means male or female, both. If the sexual reproduction is happened and going on, the male female or female will be organized. Second, progeny. Third one is progeny is only genetically similar to the parent but not identical. Progeny, a new individual which is formed by the reproduction, is only identical but they are not similar to the parent. In the last video, we are also discussed about the reproduction, and you can see that why they are different with their parent. Let's see, a sexual reproduction is extremely useful as a means of rapid multiplication. It is common in lower plants and animals. Asexual reproduction is also identical reproduction, because the two gametes not involved in this reproduction, only one thing is involved, then reproduction will be going on or check to the process. Extremely useful as means in the rapid multiplication. It is multiplied or going to the new progeny. It's common in lower plants. Lower plants like amoeba, hydra, and like one cell organism which is divided into two parts. Let's see the second thing, mode of asexual reproduction. How many types of mode of asexual reproduction? The mode of asexual reproduction depend on the body design of the organism. Yes, this is the right thing. The mode of reproduction only depend on the body design, because a multicellular organism can't process the asexual reproduction. Only the single cell organism can express their asexual reproduction. The another thing in the sexual reproduction is fission. Fission is the process of splitting. Let's see what happened in the process of fission. This is the another part of reproduction. This is the also type of reproduction. In this reproduction, the parent cell divides or split into two daughter cell. Two daughter cell, binary fission. This is the also part of fission. Split into many cells, multiple fission. This is also part of binary fission. Binary fission, the multiple cells are involved in this fission. The type of fission, first is binary fission and second is multiple fission. In the form of binary fission, the parent cell divides. The parent cell will divide into two equal halves. The two equal halves means this is the first thing, this is one parent, and it divide in two parts. This is one part and this is the second part. It is divided into two parts. It is two equal halves and it make the daughter cells. And this is called the binary fission. It will be seen in amoeba, hydra and lower organism which has the only one cell. In the multiple fission, the parent all divides into many daughter cells. Stimulously, it's a plasmodium. Plasmodium is the parasite. Let's see this structure. This is look like this. And there are many types of nucleus. There are many nucleus are found in this plasmodium, and it's split in many parts. You can see that, and it is divided into another parts, and this parts will be grown and make a new organism. Let's see how this asexual reproduction happen in amoeba. Let's find out. This is amoeba, single cell, one part. This is the one part of amoeba. This, when the reproduction is happening in the amoeba, it's elastic, just like stretch. Stretch will be happening in this organism, and its nucleus will be also elastic. And this is you can see that the figure number 3. The cytoplasm. This is the amoeba. Its body is full covered of cytoplasm. This cytoplasm elastic and split into two daughter cells. These two daughter cells make a new progeny and make a new amoeba. This is the part of reproduction. If you have any problem, you can express your message in our comment box. Thank you.